Hello, sir. My name is Manish Kumar Tiwari, and I am a computer science student at Sitare University. So, in this video, I will explain the assignment I have completed, which is also I am sharing in the screen. So, the task was really interesting for me because I got to work with real data from LinkedIn and apply my coding and thinking skills. So, let me talk about what was the task given. So the task was in two parts. First, I had many CSV files in zip folder. So I extracted all and keep them in a folder. Each CSV files had three columns: first name, last name, and company. So I need to clean them because some names had dots, numbers, and other special characters. In company column, there were some rows which were missing. So I keep them blank. And the second part of this assignment was to use this data and build a network graph which shows connections on LinkedIn of our batch. So what I did was to clean the data, I wrote Python script programs and did everything automatically. First, I cleaned the all first name and last name and kept letters and spaces only. Then I cleaned the company names, removed symbol and kept the proper letters and the numbers. Also, if any names or company name was missing, I left it blank so that no wrong data is added. And after cleaning, I saved everything in the same file to avoid confusions and extra files. This also saved a lot of time. And now the data was ready to use for the analysis. So after cleaning, I created a LinkedIn network graph using Python and stored in JSON and text file format. And I analyzed some statistics analysis. So in total, there were over 28,000 students and more than 1 lakh connections. But after cleaning and filtering, I focused on only 126 active students. The average student had 7 connections, and the most connected student was Rohit Malviya with 4,258 connections, followed by Ravi Rajput and others. I also used something called random walk concept to see how students are linked to each other. The average path length was 100 steps, but I reduced it to 80 by pruning concept. And let me talk about what are the insights and key takeaways I took from here. So this work was not just about code and thinking. It showed me how important clean data is to clean data. And if we don't clean the data, even good algorithms can give us wrong results. So I learned how to use Python to understand real world networks and how people in my class and outsides are connected professionally. This also will help me in future for analysis and real world projects. So what concisely I learned that I literally enjoyed this task and learned how to clean data properly and build the graphs and how to use Python for real problems. Most of all, I understood how data tells to how to use them and how can we use it to grow networks and help people. So the future scope of this assignment was this project can be taken further, like we can add more data, skills, location, or interactions. We can make a website to explore the network live. We can even build smart suggestions to help a student grow their LinkedIn connections. So I would be working more on this in the future. So at the last, thank you so much for watching and listening me. I really enjoyed doing the assignment and learned a lot. I would love to work with LinkedIn and grow my skills even more. If you have any suggestions or feedback, I would be happy to hear. Thank you again.